Hello guys, today I will talk about the Volvo VNL 670 2013. What's the problem? The problem is, you see the clutch pedal? Okay, there's some spring which is going this side. The original one, like this, it's broke. The reason when spring is broke, can't reach the sensor, which is working like that, and after that your cruise control you're gonna be loose, and jack brake too. That's the stupid thing we have to do. I got new one anyway. I don't know, I'm not sure it's work properly, but just in case I'm got both new. So anyway, before to reach this point, you have to take off of freaking plastics. You have to start from here to the throttle side, gas pedal side, and end of this the middle part and the left part of plastics. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, thank you guys.